Okay, all right, Mayuresh, short but effective chat. Thanks a lot for joining in and giving us your quick analysis on a whole host of those names. Well, time to wind down on the markets. Then we came off a little bit. We saw 23,000. We thought it was within kissing distance, but we end a little bit off that. Though on an average, we'll end closer to around 22,970 or thereabouts. What did very well today? Adani Group stocks, they were back in style. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, both of them firing away. And domestic-facing themes, Mahindra & Mahindra, L&T, Eicher Motors, all of them, bazooka moves is what we saw. These are frontline names that saw a big rally today. And the banking names would be, what a dream run out there. 1,000-point rally is what we're talking about. Took out the 50, took out the 20-day moving averages in style. And that was the big driver today.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, huge moves on these stocks. Even other names on the large cap screen. I mean, Reliance was playing ball today. You had stocks like, TCS, Infosys from the auto pack that weren't too bad either. So it was pretty much all guns blazing. Can't really complain much. ITC, by the way, is ending absolutely flat after its numbers. Let's talk about mid-caps. The mid-cap index has underperformed the large caps. There's no two ways about it, with a gain of just under 0.5%. The advanced decline ratio mildly negative. You've got over 1,250 declining stocks today versus about 1,100 advancing stocks. So it was more stock-specific, the action there. But the PSU trend was still evident. Today it was more about shipbuilders. We were just discussing these stocks. Look at Mazagon Dock, look at Garden Reach, look at Cochin Shipyard. Massive, massive moves on these shipbuilding stocks once again. And, railways don't want to be left behind. They're speeding away as well. So RVNL, IRFC, once again, good moves coming in over there. Then there are other names as well. I mean, there's a Vodafone Idea that had a good session. Torrent Power, where numbers originally were thought to be sort of a little lower than expectations, but it turned around. The sentiment remained positive around the company and the prospects. So that stock managed a recovery. Page Industries slightly lower after earnings. So basically, for the mid-cap market, it was more about reacting to individual numbers. The bigger, larger, broader move really was in the big arena, the large caps today. Bell has gone 22,952 is the closing figure, with a gigantic 350-point up move and fresh highs on the Nifty as well as the Sensex. Well, that's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. Thank you very much for being with us, but don't go anywhere because we have our special edition of Bulls Charge ahead coming up next.